So if you're in over your head and your credit is so bad that you can't even get a loan, or you may be even facing bankruptcy, you may want to seek some professional help. Now, there's a number of financial professionals out there that can definitely help you with your financial situation. For example, lawyers can help represent you under legal proceedings. Now, while getting a bankruptcy lawyer or filing for bankruptcy can be an upsetting situation for you and can dramatically affect your score for many years to come, it can also give you a chance to start over financially and help you reestablish good credit again in the long run. Now, companies like credit repair companies and debt counseling companies, these companies can help you by acting on your behalf with companies and by advising you on what you can do to repay your bills faster and help you make better financial decisions. So we also have accountants and tax filing services. Accountants and tax filing services can help you make the most out of your money by making sure that you're not overspending on your taxes at the end of the year. And we can't forget the bankers and the bank officers. Now, most banks today want to not only help you keep your money, but are willing to work with you to make the most out of it. Now, as a banking service, many banks today offer free financial advice. Things like investing advice, savings advice, and even personalized meetings with bank officers can help you figure out to make the most out of your money situation. Now, how you deal with lenders will ultimately determine how well your scores are. You also want to remember to avoid too many inquiries by not applying for too many loans, establishing long-term business relationships with bankers, and doing business with bankers in an organized and professional way. For example, like paying your debts on time, will definitely go a long way towards giving you a good rating. And in turn, a good rating will make it easier for you to deal with lenders. With that being said, guys, I hope you liked the information on this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with family and friends, and until the next episode on Keeping It Real with Credit, peace.